Hi, I'm Christy Mattingly from the IT department, here to create this video to show how to make a doodle so that you can find a time that's compatible for you to meet with one of your classmates to practice signing through Zoom. The first thing that you're going to do is select Create a Doodle. You do not have to sign up. In fact, if you do sign up with your Augsburg email account, you'll be giving Doodle access to your calendar. And as the IT person here at Augsburg that supports the Languages and Cross-Cultural Studies department, I have a responsibility to try to protect your data. So instead of signing up for a Doodle account, you can create a Doodle without actually making a Doodle account. And what a Doodle is going to do is it's going to create a poll that you can use to send out, and people can say when they're able to meet. So I'm just going to I would put your name in this. So I'm just going to put Christy's practice times. And then you're going to be meeting virtually through Zoom. I'll send instructions for that as well. And we're just going to click on continue. Then you want to select all of the times that you're able to meet people virtually. I'm going to click on later. And let's say I can only meet on Mondays. I'll move that up to 6. There, I'm just clicking, and you can drag the time to a different location. So maybe I can meet Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6. So I need to find a classmate who can also meet during one of these times. And I'm going to click on continue. You can choose specific dates, but I'm going to encourage you just to try to choose days of the week that typically work for you. And then you're going to select this top option, yes, no, if need be. And you don't select anything on the right. If you do, it'll let you continue to the next page and it won't let you finish creating the poll. So we're going to click continue. And then you do need to put your name in here. I was just doing this as a practice. And it's okay to put your email address in here. We're not giving access to the calendar, even though they try to get you to sign up. And then you're going to click finish. This is your poll link, and this is what it will look like. So people will be able to see you're available Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now you could choose specific days if your schedule doesn't allow you to have the same days of the week and times of these days every week, but you can, then the next person would come in and they would type in their name and they would click on the days. Maybe Tom's able to meet on Wednesdays between 6 and 7 and then send. So what I'm going to do, you would copy this link here. And once you have it copied, you can email it in quick mail on the course, or you can post it in a forum.